Can a yogurt be too delicious for its own good? That's the question Noosa yogurt faced. The company couldn't keep up with overwhelming demand. They needed to ramp up production and fast. This is the story of how Panduit did it in 6 months flat. Noosa already had a recipe for success. And together with our Panduit One partners, we helped them make the most of it. 80,000 total square feet needed to be networked across 2 production plants and a main office. Our team designed a standardized network architecture to improve availability. This included a manufacturing backbone, an enterprise backbone, and a spare backbone, just in case they needed to scale up again. We also separated the enterprise and production zones. That way, if a delicious yogurt tsunami occurs in the plant, it won't take the enterprise down with it. Time is milk money. So we worked fast with pre-configured technologies. A Panduit pre-configured micro data center, 4 pre-configured zone enclosures with UPS and slope tops for easy hose down, a pre-configured IDF which installed 25% faster with 3 times the cooling capacity, and color-coded Panduit DCF cables keep everything connected and organized till the cows come home. It was all installed by a Panduit certified installer, which covers Noosa with a 25-year performance warranty for extra peace of mind. The results were utterly amazing. We completed the new facility in just 6 months. Noosa's production capacity increased by 300%. And they added 4,000 retailers nationwide, a total of 30,000 stores. So all 50 states can get their GERD on. Now Noosa has no problem meeting demand. There's plenty of Noosa to go around.